Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and installing an inside door handle on a 2008 Subaru Outback. We'll start by opening the door. First, we're going to take this little trim piece off. You use a flat blade tool carefully behind the panel. Pull it, and then you can use your fingers and pull it back. There's 3 little clips. Next, we're going to take this trim piece off here. With a flat blade tool. There's a little area to put your screwdriver. Push down and pull it out. There's clips on the back. Next, we're going to take this trim piece off. You're going to pry it down right here with a flat blade tool. Being careful not to damage any of the surfaces. And we're going to pull it out. This is difficult to come out. There is clips, retainers that hold it in. We're going to start with a Phillips head screwdriver. We have 3 screws, 1 there, 1 here, and then 1 up here. Next, we're going to use a door panel trim tool. We sell these at 1aauto.com. You can go in behind, pop off the clips. And then you just lift and pull back. On the inside, we're going to pull the inner door latch and lock mechanism off. We have to pull this cover up. We have to disconnect these cables. You're going to pull out, and then you're going to pull up. A little ball will come up. And same with this one. Next, we have to disconnect our connector for the window switches. You're going to push this little tab here and pull it down. And then we're going to disconnect our door light. You're going to push down on this tab, and it's going to pull right out. Take these Phillips head screws out. These screws out. One more right here. There's another screw right here. Take your flat blade tool. You can push from the front while you're doing this. Pop right out. To reinstall, you're going to line the handle back up. Push straight down so it clicks. Start with that screw on the inside here, underneath the cover. snug that down. We can put the other 3 screws in. Now we're going to reinstall the door panel. We're going to start where we left. We're going to reattach the door light. Just push it in. We're going to reattach the connector for the window switches. Just going to push it in. That's good. We're going to reattach the lever and lock mechanism with the cables. The small cable goes on the top. Take this ball, goes in there first. Like that. And then you slide it over. Just like that. And same with this one. The ball goes in this hole and then goes through the slot, and then this goes down like that, and then you slide this cover down. Next you want to take this, go in from the top, get it in up top here. There's a groove, and once that's lined up, you should be able to line the pins up and just push. Just like that. Phillips head screws and a Phillips head screwdriver. Start screwing in the panel. We're going to install this cover. Slide in like that, and this last cover up top. Now we're going to use our last one, put these 3 tabs in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.